Today we're at the Pear Tree Swindon for Amanda and Mark's wedding. We're going to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes. Come and check it out. At the Little Wedding Creche, we offer bespoke childcare for weddings and events. We provide a range of play equipment along with qualified staff to keep your little ones entertained during your special day. Our bespoke play spaces are prepared perfectly for babies, toddlers and big kids. Our fully trained staff can be on hand all day, from the ceremony to the wedding breakfast, right through to your evening entertainment. If you're having children at your wedding, the Little Wedding Creche is here to take the stress out, so you and your guests can relax and enjoy your special day. Add a special touch to your big day. For more information, get in contact. We'd love to chat.